Hello, everyone. My name is Haley, and this is the December 2023 Ops Showcase UX Improvements for the Container Registry demo. Right. So we're going to start off with the original output, which we can achieve via this log to standard out command. So as we can see, this is a lot of information, and it's a bit hard to read. And the video chunks it up a little less smoothly than in real time. So it's even worse than what you're seeing. And also, shipping this to a developer is a little difficult because this is just flying into standard out, and it's a bit hard to give that to us if something unexpected were to happen and you weren't planning to redirect the output into a file. So I'm going to go ahead and interrupt this process, clear my screen, and let's run this again without the flag to see the new updated UX. So already we have a little bit of a calmer space on the screen, and that we can see that the details that we were seeing just now are now all written to this file, which we give the absolute path for, the full path for, and we also timestamp these so they can be unique and distinct. And we can see that we're now on step 1, and we're about halfway through this first larger repository, and we can see what repository we're on right here. You can see also the rate at which the step is happening. And for steps 1 and 2, we'll have a progress bar per repository because that's the level that we're able to really get a good estimate of the work to be done without too much extra time being spent figuring out how many entities there are. And this is also the level generally at which the importer works. So we'll see the rate at each step being relatively smooth. And so if something, hangs, that is an indication of a problem. So everything moves through nice and smoothly, and we can have a good level of confidence, what it's doing, that things are still going well, and more or less, where it is along the process. Import tags, as you can see, happens really quickly. But it's really similar to step 2. If we had a very large repository with many tags, we would be able to see a little bit more progress there, and it is helpful for that case, but often import tags is just very quick. And in this case, we've moved on to step 3. We cannot estimate efficiently how many blobs we have, so this is a spinner, but we can see that we are working through the blobs as we speak. And while that's completing, we can also see here the timestamp at which the step starts. And now that the import has completed, we do get the full import time. All right. So those are the general improvements. This, I think, is better for users. It's better for developers. Users have something that they can easily see, easily understand. It is really trying to pare down the information to things that are useful for them, things that you don't really need to be deeply familiar with this tool to understand. And for developers, by default, we are preserving the full logs in a file, and that can be sent to us relatively easily. All right. Thanks everyone for watching, and pleasant new year.